Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F1. So we're just going to talk real quickly about what is this error and can we get rid of it. So the error F1 on the tumble dryer is a refrigerant temperature sensor that has short-circuited. So unfortunately, there's not an easy fix that we can definitely get rid of this, as there's not necessarily a localized area we can fix. However, since this is an electronic error, short circuit error, one of the things that we can do before we call technical support is that we can just do a hard reset on the machine, and sometimes that'll clear out errors like this. So to do a hard reset, is quite simple. All you need to do is make sure that you turn your dryer off, unplug it from power, either from the wall or turn it off at the circuit, and leave it disconnected from power for a full minute. After you've left it disconnected from power for a full minute, you can turn it back on and try to run a dry cycle and see if you can do that without the error coming back. And hopefully that'll work. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.